Hello, welcome back to my channel. On this channel, I've been trying to make movie props. On this channel, I've been trying to make movie props using my 3D printer. So for my first project, I decided to make the Barbasol can from Jurassic Park. So the Barbasol can fit inside just a little shaving cream can here, and inside it had this cool little device that I wanted to find one that was functional, that allowed the pop that happens in the movie. So I found these plans. So here we have the base of it. There we go. Then we need one of the rings. Okay, and then from there we go on to the next base. Alright, this is going very well so far. Then we need the very top. Oh, that one's a lot smaller than the other ones. Alright. Next, we need the center. Alright. And you can see in here, it's got a groove for the rings to fit in. And a spring will go inside here to cause that pop from the movie. And then the last piece. There we go. Now we just have to put it all together. So first we put this piece inside the center, and we take a spring, put it inside. Now this piece fits on here, and then this fits into the section for the base of it. And as you can see, it comes down and locks into place. Put the other ring on, and there we go. There we go. We have a working Barbasol can. So one thing that I would probably change if I was to do this again is I don't like how this small top isn't the same diameter as the center ring. But overall, I like the design and the look of it. What do y'all think? For my next project, I'm still not sure if I want to do the mask from The Mask or the ooze container from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Well, let me know what y'all think in the comments below, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.